Here.
Turn the wheel.
Here's,
Got more room.
that's it. Guess what? It's hooked up to the four-wheeler. You can't turn it.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't. You have to push it that way. There you go. Now you're getting there.
Yeah, it's not gonna turn.
Okay, just here.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I got it. They saw all that.
What, is it on sideways?
Huh?
Is it sideways? Yeah. All right.
Alright. Peeps. The trailer. Tyler, I was gonna grind, but we only got a couple bolts to grind, so Tyler's just gonna handle it with his grinder. Kawasaki.
4.5 inch. I already described it.
Oh, okay. See that bolt? All these have new bolts except that one. You can see it's still rusted as frick. He's gonna cut that sucker off. Go ahead.
I'm trying to see if I can tell you.
Well, let me get safety glasses on.
That's for big boy B.
Where'd I put the frickin' safety glasses? Hey, yo, where'd I put the safety glasses?
Hey,
Huh.
say yo.
Why?
That's city.
Oh, shut up. Well, I'm gonna put these on.
Every single bolt here. Do you know how hard that's gonna and long that's gonna take?
Oh, I know. I'm not doing every single bolt. Hold on, guys. Hold on, Tyler. Alright. Hit it.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Don't hit that there tire. Is it good?
Yeah. Now before it goes, you gotta get pliers. Don't grab that. That's on the front. Here, I'll get it with my gloves.
Alright. Is it hot?
There we go.
Is it out? Let's see that. There's what
Not the cleanest
T-
grind I've ever done, but
I'll cut a bolt with the grinder, so you can get both of us. I'll use Tyler's. All right, Tyler.
if you break anything,
Explain whatever you want. Tell them what we did to the tractor. I'm gonna go get a bolt.
All right. What are you cutting the bolt? What are you cutting?
Huh?
What are you gonna cut with
No,
that?
just explain what we did to it. Put the bolts in. Explain.
That cutting edge, that grips is gonna throw you around. You think I'm joking? I'm not. It is gonna throw you.
I know, it threw my dad around.
All right. Here's what we did with this. This hood was all rattling, and this moved a bunch. So we used one of those longer washers. Instead of it being real thin, it's longer. Put that on there with the bolt. That's gonna hold that all center. And we took those off because all they do is grind, skid on the floor, stick into the mud and keep us back. But we were debating on to cut that off. Anthony decided he didn't want that off, so what are you gonna do? You find a bolt to fit it?
Yep. I'm just getting a couple washers.
How about a nut?
Yep.
This is the swing arm, in case anybody was wondering. That's what the trailer turns with. The end of the swing arm looks exactly like the end of the tongue was.
Huh?
The end of the swing arm looks like what the tongue is. Well, was. Except the swing arm don't swivel like that did. Big boy A1 here. Wait, nice glasses, by the way.
Thank you.
Here's his dad's beast. You good? Yeah. Alright, here we go. You better got that on camera, me cutting that. Did you get it perfectly on camera?
Yes.
You better have. Should I watch it just to be sure?
No, because then we gotta make another part.
You swear on Jessica's life? You got it perfectly?
I did it the best I could. I swear on Jessica's
I mean,
life.
you actually got me cutting it though. You seen
Oh,
sparks
yeah.
fly and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't care then. That rubber get warm? No.
Alright. Tighten that. Actually, don't you think we should have put a lock washer, or are we good? Do you think we're good?
We should be good. Just tighten that up real good.
Right there. That's it.
Alright, we'll be fine.
Because you don't want to tighten it too much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because then it's just going to bend this down and make that real tight. Wondering what else we cutting here.
Huh?
What else are we cutting?
Oh, yeah. I want...
Want these out.
Yeah, those grinded off.
Flip it the other
And
one.
then these and all that. So here, I'll go first. Then these, we're going to grind those there off.
Now hold it for you. You want the gloves?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't mess around.
These are actual welding gloves too. Huh?
So they're right here. Where's the other one?
Down there.
Oh, nah, I mean...
When you first start it, hold the trigger and push the button in.
Now wait, what about this bolt? That's going to be a pain.
Just cut right through it. Cut below the bolt. Start it up all the way. Come on.
I know. Try to hold it just like that. Put your foot closer.
Go for it.
Oh, sorry. I thought because a piece of metal flung up and hit me in the freaking leg. Alright, here we go again.
That's nice. Yeah. It's gonna get warm.
I'll just do the other one too, okay?
I want to cut that.
Huh? Well, no,
I
you
wanna
still
cut
got, then you can just cut that whole one over there.
What?
We still got that whole board over there.
Oh, okay, go for it.
Alright, now I stand on it.
If it feels like it's gonna stall, the worst, don't stall it.
Oh, dude, I know.
Just undo the trigger and you'll be good. Got a little warm.
Yeah. Freaking thing went in my ears. Did that happen to you?
No.
Everything goes in my ears. Alright, we're gonna put my hood up. Cause that hurt.
When they hit my face, I just keep going. I don't shut it off.
Oh yeah, I know. I just one went in my ear.
Yeah, I'd still keep going. All right, go. You stalled it.
Huh? I didn't stall it.
Cut it all the way through then.
What do you mean? I know what I'm
Let it
doing. I
idle
used the
down.
grinder before.
Looks like it. Alrighty.
You just have smart ass comments for everything. You're like
Are you,
Mark.
are you cutting
You
these?
yell at Mark.
Are you cutting these bolts?
Yeah, I said you can cut those.
Okay.
Hey, we're getting a good 8 minutes on this.
What? It's 15 now. Those limit, right?
Yeah, 15. They made anything. No way.
These are gonna be a pain. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm on this side. like that.
What?
So I'm not going in.
What'd you do so far?
Huh? I almost got that one off. Freaking spark hit me in the neck.
Yeah, no, they're hot. Hey, we only got 5 minutes to make this because 15.
Right.
So I'll stop it at like 15. I'll tell you before I stop it. Which way should I go now?
Don't matter. You ready?
Yeah.
Almost got it. Look at all that.
So what do you want to do now?
Might as well shut that off because I gotta change it out. I gotta change my blade out.
Oh, why? Yeah, I told you, put a grounding blade on there, but... Alright, we're going to make another part, don't know what part we're going to make, but we are, and we'll get back to you. Alright, see ya.